Okay, I think a few of you might be having some problems with your adding and multiplying with decimals, so I thought I'd make a short video on how to do it. So here I have two decimal numbers. One is 15.93, or if we want to do it in money, it'd be $15.93, and 5.36, or $5.36. When you are adding your decimal numbers, you need to make sure that your decimals are lined up. It's very important. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You put the 2 down here and carry the 1. You just bring down your decimal in the exact same spot it's already in. That's why it's important to keep them lined up. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 1 more is 11. Put your 1 there, carry your other 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So your total is $21.29, or $21.29. Now, if you wanted to add your tax onto that, if you're doing the work from before, you would times it by 1.13. I'm going to get rid of this so I have the space, because I'm going to need it. This is not as important to line up your decimal, but you want to keep the numbers lined up at the end. It just happens to work out well in this one. So you go 3 times 9, which is 27. Put your 7 here, carry your 2. Now we're carrying on with this 3. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. We're ignoring our decimal right now. 3 times 2 is 6. So now we've done everything we can do with that 3. Now we're going to move on to our 1. We're going to put a placeholder 0 here, because this isn't really a 1, it's a 10. So every number is going to end in a 0, so it's just easier to put a placeholder there. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we have finished with that one. We're now going to move on to this one. We're going to put 2 placeholders, because really it's like we're timesing by 100, and it's just easier this way to bring it down to a 1. 1 times 9, 9. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And now you got to add it all together. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 9 plus 0 is 17. You're going to put your 7 down here and carry your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 2 more is 6. Plus 9 is going to be 15. Put your 5 down, carry your 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 1 more is 8. Plus 2 more is 10. Your 0 is here, and you carry your 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1 more is 4. And then finally, we got our 2. Now this is where it gets harder. We need to look back at our original question and see how many individual digits are past our decimal. In this case, we have 4. So I need to jump 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is where my decimal is going to go. If this was money, we would need to do some rounding, because cents would stop here. Because this 7 is above 5, if this was money, the total would be 24.06. We'd round this 5 up to a 6. I hope this was helpful, and maybe I'll post a couple more videos just in case.